When you look in the mirror, from the front it's a V-line, but have you noticed a square jaw from the side? That's a feature of the heart-shaped face. Heart-shaped faces have wide foreheads and narrow chins, so eye makeup is especially important. Today, exclusively for heart-shaped faces. Here's a complete eye makeup guide. First, let's learn about heart-shaped face features. Just as the name says, the heart shape has a heart-shaped contour. From the front, it's a V-line, but from the side, the square jaw is slightly visible. The forehead is wide and cheekbones prominent. A sharp, pointed chin is the signature. The face length itself is on the shorter side, so it looks dimensional from any angle. The biggest charm of a heart-shaped face is a lovely, lively image. To bring out this charm even more, use eye makeup to draw attention to your features. That's the key. Divert attention from the forehead and cheekbones and gather it toward the eyes, having balanced advantages of both round and oval. It suits almost any makeup style. A classic example is Twice's Sana, who's well known for her heart-shaped face. Sana uses eye makeup too. Focus attention on the eyes. That's the point. Twice's Ziyu too also has a heart-shaped face. With soft eye makeup, the lovely image is maximized. Suzy also has a heart-shaped face. Her natural shadow makeup is very impressive. Go Yoonjin also has a heart-shaped face. Her defined eyes are her charm point. The common thread in their makeup is eye makeup that draws focus to the eyes. Alright, let's get into it. Let's learn the eye makeup essentials. The core of heart face eye makeup is focus attention on your features. Draw attention away from the forehead and cheekbones and gather it to the eyes. That's the point. Keep this point in mind and let's go through each step. First up is eyebrows. The best brow shape for heart-shaped faces is soft arched brows. Arched brows have a slightly raised peak, like a seagull-shaped curve. This curve makes a wide forehead look visually smaller. It also creates a soft vibe at the same time. Sana's brows are exactly this style, highlighting the lovely image of a heart face, while creating a sophisticated aura. Brow thickness should be moderate. Too thin makes the forehead look wider. Too thick makes the eyes look heavy. Keep it within the pupil size range. That's the most natural thickness. When drawing, go light at the front, then slightly raise the peak at the center. Taper the tail downward naturally, and a perfect arch is complete. On the flip side, brows to be careful with are straight brows. Straight brows only emphasize the horizontal line, making a wide forehead stand out even more. Too high an arch is also risky. It can emphasize a sharp impression. A soft arch, that's the key. Second is eyeliner. The key for heart face eyeliner is a slight upward flick at the outer corner. When you naturally lift the outer corner, attention focuses on the eyes, and the forehead-chin ratio looks balanced. Ziyu often uses this technique. Her eyes look so sharp, right? The thickness of the liner tip should taper thin. That's the point. A thin tip highlights the eyes and also disperses attention. Length shouldn't go far past the triangle zone. Keep it moderate. Filling the waterline too makes eyes look bigger and sharper. On the flip side, eyeliner to be careful with is lines that are too long and sharp. Eyeliner that's too long spreads attention outward from the face, making the face look wider. Thick eyeliner is risky too. When combined with a pointed jawline, the narrow lower face is emphasized. The look can appear too sharp. A slight lift and keep it light. That's the key. Third is eyeshadow. The shadow essential for heart faces is soft shadows and gradients. First, apply a base color lightly across the entire lid. Use low saturation, not too dark colors, to tidy up the eye area. Next is eye expansion. From the crease or mid-lid, blend naturally out to the outer corner. Next is the point shadow in the outer corner and lower triangle zone. Lightly touch as an accent. Connect naturally with the eyeliner. Blend it out for sharper features. Last is pearl highlight. Use champagne gold or pink gold pearl shadow and lightly dab on the mid-lid and edge cell rather than large particle glitter. Fine pearls look more elegant. Layering little by little and adjusting is the secret to natural gradients. On the flip side, shadow techniques to avoid are colors that are too dark. If you spread dark colors wide, eyes look heavy rather than expanded. Shadow going too far past the triangle zone can overemphasize features. Also, making eyes look too elongated highlights the heart face's sharp impression. Fourth is mascara. The mascara key for heart faces is full volume curling. Full lashes direct attention upward, making the face shape look balanced. Curl firmly with an eyelash curler. Apply mascara upward naturally and layer once more on the outer lashes. You'll get a bigger eyes effect. Try using partial false lashes too. Attach at the outer corner for bigger looking eyes, and the focus effect is even stronger. Now, let's look at real celebrity eye makeup. First, Santa's eye makeup with soft arched brows and a slightly lifted eyeliner. That's the point. Ziyu stands out with natural shadow and impressive full lashes. Go Yunjing is known for firm lash curling and natural gradients as her signature. If you found a style you like, save the photo for reference. Let me sum it up. The core of heart face eye makeup is focus attention on your features. For eyebrows, a soft arch. Keep the thickness moderate. For eyeliner, slightly lift the outer corner. For eyeshadow, soft, rounded shadow. For mascara, full, bold volume curling. Personal taste matters most, but knowing face shape appropriate makeup will be super helpful about heart face eye makeup. If you have any questions, leave a comment. See you in the next video.